Growing up, birthdays were simple: a cake and a room full of people you love singing happy birthday. Now I'm 22. The room is still full, the people are still singing. The only problem? I have absolutely no idea who any of them are. Oh, and instead of a birthday cake, I'm drinking an espresso martini on an island in the Gulf of Tonkin, which is not exactly how I imagine spending the birthday Taylor Swift has spent the last 14 years hyping up. And honestly, I don't know about you, but I am feeling 22. Catba was the first stop in my 4-month Vietnam journey. And one thing about me is that I love to be by water bodies, especially on my birthday. So it was only fair to celebrate my birthday here. After giving the crew gifts for their Lunar New Year, a free upgrade in the flight, and a bus that broke down in the middle of nowhere, I got on a suspiciously small ferry to go to Catba. And here I was. And by the way, this isn't your ordinary vacation. No, I was volunteering at a hostel as a party rep, which sounds so fun until you realize it's walking up to strangers and convincing them to have the best night of their life. Every day there were new faces. Some stayed for a day, and some ended up staying for a week. It's so weird how strangers can become your friends so quickly when you're all far from home. People from different countries, different backgrounds, all were crossing paths in the same place at the same time. And I was right in the middle of it, making sure that that room full of strangers left as a group of friends. One of the coolest parts of the experience was learning bartending. The hostel in charge, Trung, was sweet enough to teach me all his tricks. And now I was behind the bar, mixing drinks, learning new recipes, and trying not to spill everything while people watched. I think that's one of the best things about travel, being in situations where failure is part of the experience rather than being embarrassing. And volunteering wasn't the only thing that made Catba memorable. When people ask about a place, they usually ask about what they should see. But when I think about Catba, I don't remember the landmarks first. All I remember are the side quests. Like the time when we were out at a club and my friend Hannah's wallet was stolen and we tracked it down with the air tag right to the person's house.
It's still in here. You could have it. Okay.
Hannah,
What the hell? Dạ.
Tụi anh giải thích rồi.
how did they have it?
Cô nhặt được ở đâu?
Nó ngồi nó chơi xe đây này.
Cái xe này.
Nó để cái xe đây xong cô chạy về là nó rơi ra.
No, my card is my driver's no. My card is not. You have my credit cards. There's no money on it. Tell them there's no money on it. They can't steal anything. But I just want my card back. My cards. What a side quest.
Or the time Gia drove me around the entire national park, and then we went and swam in the cold ocean while it rained.
Yeah. Guys.
We're going to the national.
This is Gia's new helmet for me. And this is Gia's helmet. Hey. We're going to the national park. And this is Gia's bike.
With all the capybara and boo boo.
Capybara. Okay, let's go. We are just going somewhere on Gia's knowledge.
Yep.
Don't know where, but Gia knows the way. Gia knows the way. Gia. Xialing. Xialing is Gia's Vietnamese name.
What was yours?
What can be my Vietnamese name?
I don't know enough Vietnamese names.
Aabha is already a short name.
What's your real name?
Aabha Ling.
Abaling, Zaling, and Abaling.
Oh, jackpot.
Is that really your name?
Careful. Sorry?
Is it really your real name?
What, Aabha?
Abaling? It looked like this.
This is Gia's camera roll
Yeah.
from some time ago, and this is the lagoon now.
Look, it was so good that we were jumping.
Oh man, where's the water?
And it's so pretty. What's going on?
Gia, you're trying to scam me.
This. Look. This is this.
This is a scam.
Look
It's
at
okay, but it's still a pretty place.
This. It's not.
Is it good?
It is lemon juice.
Girl, sit down. Kali Basha. Oh, hello. Literally looks like I'm in Jurassic Park. Gia is incapable of relaxing. Girl. Oh. Like how grandparents take pictures.
Or the time we simply spend the entire day with Vietnamese uncles watching a tree being uprooted.
Guys, me and Gia, we are Vietnam maxing.
We're squatting on
Vietnam squat, Vietnam squat. There is a tree being removed, and all of us are supervising it. Everybody is watching it. Like yet another uncle.
This thing attracts uncles. Like how to get all the uncles to come together.
Mẹ người ta phải hạ bỏ cần xuống đi đéo này.
We are at the source now. We are involved. We decided to involve ourselves.
We're one of the uncles now. Even my scooter is next to theirs.
Girl, they fucked it up again. This is stupid. Girl, how do you mess it up this bad? It was supposed to be so easy. Hey, it's moving. Gia, come back. Great. You're doing great, sweetie.
Are they?
They're not. Hey. Finally.
These are the memories you remember instead of the curated plans. And maybe that's what our 20s are for. Instead of having all the answers to the future, maybe it's about saying yes to all the side quests that come to you.
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aabha. Happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Good morning, Aabha Nation. It is 26 Feb and I just woke up like 20 minutes ago and had my breakfast. We are going on the boat tour, as always, for the birthday. So I think the bus is here. And my throat hurts a bit. The weather is a lot, but nevertheless, we will be jumping in the ocean. Hopefully. Let's go.
Okay, this is our first stop, kayaking. I put my phone inside a bag, but this is the spot. Number one. I have to find someone who's gonna kayak with me. Maybe the girls. Ooh.
That is one arm workout if there ever was. My throat is parched. I don't have drinking water. And we are wearing slippers on this. I'm already tired. We've done one big circle of this rock, you can say. The feet have died. Really pretty though.
Put half it, yeah. Keep it.
We have 40 minutes to walk all the way up there and come back. It's just so sketchy. In the jungle, the mighty jungle.
Everyone, keep going up.
Keep going where? Almost made it to the top. Last stretch. I can't feel my lung. Easy. Not easy. But easy. Everybody made it easy. Easy. We could do it 10 times. Easy. Without shoes. Easy. Finally made it to the top. Now we go. I'm at the top.
I know, yeah, I'm just trying to...
It's really high. It doesn't look high, but really high. It was raining the last entire week. No sun, no warm weather, really shit rain, and today the sun is out. Thank you to universe. Great way to start a new year of 2022. Let's go back to the hostel. The less expectations you keep for your birthday, the better birthday you have. I'm gonna get some dinner and some drinks and catch up with people from the hostel. Let's go. I'm making my own drinks.
Feeling on you. Yeah, it's my good and same as candle. Happy birthday to you.
Really?
Yeah. Where is it? It's very,
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Attaboy! Attaboy! Một, hai, ba, stop!
1, 2, 3, go.
Hai, ba, stop!
2, 3, go.
Hai, ba, stop, stop, stop!
2, 3, go, go, go.
Hai, ba, buffalo!
2, 3, buffalo.
Hai, ba,
2, 3, oh. Salud. ¡Qué puta mierda que haces! ¡Qué la mierda!
Catba was just a dot on the map, but now it will forever be in my heart. And if 22 is going to be anything like these last 2 weeks, I think it's going to be a pretty good year.